In today's video, we'll create this promotional poster design using CorelDRAW Go. So let's begin. Open Google, search CorelDRAW Go. Open this website. Click on More. Choose Custom. Take 1080 by 1080 pixels canvas. Click on Open. Go to Shapes, choose Rectangle. Expand it to full canvas. Remove outline. Click on Color, then Custom Color. Change it to hexadecimal. Put color value. Press right-click, then convert it to mask frame. After this, go to Import. Click on Import File. Add roadmap image. Add it to frame. Select the image in layers. Turn on transparency. Choose Multiply. Set it to 80%. After this, lock the frame. Go to Assets, then Vectors. Search Location. We'll take this element. Go to Shapes, add a circle. Place it on this position. Next, take a rectangle. Place it on the left. Then take a hexagon. Place it on the right side. Select all elements. Press right-click, then click on Subtract. In this way, you can create this type of shape. Now, duplicate this shape. Go to Shapes, take a rectangle. Cover the upper part of shape. Select these two elements and subtract in the same way. Duplicate the shape. Change its color. Change this shape color to black. Now, duplicate this shape and overlap on it. Then subtract it. Duplicate the first shape. Place this upper part also on the first shape. Delete the shape from the layer panel. Now keep this duplicate shape. We'll use it later. After this, go to Asset, then Photos. Search Statue of Liberty. We'll take this image. Remove its background. Crop this image. Now, we'll place this image on location shape. Send it to back 1. Adjust its position. Duplicate the image. Now, crop the lower part like this. Overlap the duplicate image. Crop both sides. Select all elements and group them. Now go to Draw. Select Pen tool. Draw a triangle shape like us. Hold click button and curve the side. Click on Finish. Remove its outline. Select the shape. Go to Color. Choose Color Picker. Pick blue color from image. Change color of lower part of location also. Select this shape. Change its color to white. Bring it to front. Unlock rectangle layer. Select map image. Adjust its size. Lock the layer again. Go to Shapes and add a circle. Adjust its size. Remove its outline. Change its color to black. Set its transparency to 70. Now, we'll place it on the pinpoint of the location shape. Bring the location to front. Go to Draw. Select Pen. Choose this dashed line. Now, draw a curved line like us. Hold click button on every anchor point to curve the straight line. Double-click on this position to make a new anchor point. Select this last point. Press right-click, then delete it. Take the dashed line again and draw a curve shape here. Bring all the elements to front. After this, click on Text. Take a text box. Type text. Go to Font. Search Arboreto. Select this font. Change font size to 10 pixels. Change its color to white. Place it at this position. Duplicate and add another text. Set letter spacing to 130. Add a text box again. Type your text. Choose this font. Change font size to 35 pixels. Letter spacing to 35. Add more texts and adjust like this. Change its color to blue. Select all text and adjust their position. Our poster is ready. Let's zoom in. In this way, you can easily create any design for your brand using this amazing tool. To explore more and grab a special discount, check the link given in the description. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.